Today we are going through the best bathroom organization products at IKEA. We are going to IKEA to shop together and see all of these products in real life. These affordable products will help you keep your bathroom all cleaned up and organized. Plus, you won't believe what I found. This product I found at IKEA just shocked me since I've never seen it and I'm almost certain you haven't seen it either. So I cannot wait to share it with you. I'm Mon, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. We are starting off right away. I don't think I've mentioned this before on my channel, but I'm from a small country in Europe, so when I shop at IKEA, I go to the European IKEA. That's why the prices will be different on screen. However, I will be adding up the US prices, so do not worry. Also, while I was there, I filmed up the kitchen collection too, which is coming up in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss it. First things first, let's start with my favorite bathroom organization IKEA collection, and that is the GODMORGON. These 5 boxes with lids will help you organize things like jewelry and makeup, so everything is easy to find. They're super cute with those lids on and have these little openings so that you can put your finger inside and just lift the lid up. I love the idea of keeping ear picks or cotton pads inside these boxes. These are so practical when it comes to organizing almost anything in your bathroom drawers. And honestly, they look so cool in this smoky gray color, so you can absolutely bring them up on a shelf too. Another amazing organizer from the same collection is this one. These storage units are perfect if you want your cosmetics organized. It has compartments in various sizes for things like lipsticks, blush brushes, powder, and other makeup and skincare products. And again, although these are meant to fit into a drawer, I could totally see them up on a shelf, keeping everything nice and organized while looking super cute. Also, something for those smaller items in your bathroom, such as bobby pins and jewelry, are these drawers. These 2 drawers help to declutter the smallest things that tend to just fly around your bathroom. But also, these are a great way to keep your makeup organized, scrunchies and stuff like that, so everything is easier to find. If you're looking for a cute bathroom storage for items that you just want nicely organized and showcased, these jars are the perfect solution. Jars are a great way to organize almost anything in your home, and they play a huge role when it comes to bathroom organization too. These jars with cork lids are so pretty and are great for keeping things organized in the bathroom. You can place the jars individually, or you can stack them up or group them thanks to the cork lids that are stackable. Also, the tray is such a smart way of keeping them all in one place. Another jar I found that's actually from the kitchen collection, but I accidentally found it in the bathrooms, is this one. This tiny little jar is so cute. It gives me those vintage vibes. It comes at $3.99 and it's such a nice storage for the smallest bathroom clutter. There are several sizes to choose from, but this one is my absolute favorite. If you are looking for a pretty and stylish storage you can just showcase on your shelf, IKEA has it. These boxes are so cute. They come in a set of 3 and they are woven in seagrass and handmade by skilled craftsmen. The knit sizes are perfect for smaller things and make them easy to place, adding charm and character to the bathroom. Also, the Luparsa boxes, which are similar in style, are also braided from seagrass. These come in a set of 2 and are a bit cheaper compared to the round ones. The small size makes them easy to place inside the cabinets or up on a shelf. They are perfect for storing small things that would otherwise be left just lying around your bathroom. Now, when we are talking about baskets and stuff like that, it's time for me to share the item I found in the European IKEA that I'm almost certain you haven't seen it yet. Some of you have shared with me previously that some of the products are a bit different in the European IKEA versus the ones that come in the US IKEA. An example of that is the single box Kallax unit that can be found in the European IKEA, but they don't sell it in the US IKEA for some reason. And I am almost certain that this item I found is one of those products that we just have in Europe. Do you remember the famous Flatties basket we all love? Well, in the European IKEA, I found a mini version of it. Look at it, it's so cute. It's actually a smaller version of another basket, but it looks exactly like the Flatties basket, just in this cute mini version. This is a new item, so I hope they will bring it in the US IKEA too, since this is such a great product for storing anything, especially smaller bathroom knickknacks. I was honestly shocked that I found this item and I really love it. Please do let me know if you have seen this basket already. Am I wrong about my theory? Let me know in the comment section below. And when we are talking about baskets, a great alternative for bathroom storage are these two. This set of two dark blue baskets are uniquely hand crochet. You can store these baskets standing or hanged using the loop. You can also adjust the height of the basket by folding or unfolding the edges. They are from the same collection as the hanging storage, so you can pair them and make a cohesive look in your bathroom. Another great bathroom organization product are these natural bamboo wood boxes. These are stackable and are honestly super light and easy to move around. They are great for storing anything from jewelry to makeup and hair clips. Plus, the bamboo gives a warm and calm feeling, turning any sterile bathroom into a space where you just want to stay. Now, if you need more vertical storage in your bathroom space, then you just have to see this wall shelf. This one's from the new IKEA collection. It comes in both black and white, and it comes in a few sizes. They showcased it here above the toilet, and it honestly looks amazing. And if you're looking for a storage for a small bedroom on a really tight budget, of course IKEA has it. Check out this plastic one that looks absolutely gorgeous in this black color. It can fit in the smallest of bathrooms, but there's plenty of space on the shelves for all of your toiletries, from shampoo bottles to soap, towels, toilet paper, and anything you can think of. Now, when it comes to keeping your bedroom organized while still keeping it stylish, we just have to mention IKEA's new laundry basket. This one is handmade from bamboo. It's from the new collection, and it looks so gorgeous. It's so lightweight, and it has an inner bag that makes it easy to lift up your laundry. Also, this one is so pretty in real life. It's a bit cheaper and it still does the job while looking super cute. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you like my IKEA bathroom organization finds. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and ring that bell so you never miss another video. Also, don't forget to let me know which one was your favorite, and don't forget to let me know if you have seen this mini version of the basket. I just hyped myself around. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, designers. Will you say like and subscribe? Turn the bell? Share with your friends?